Today, I'll show you how to connect Todoist to N8N so you can automate tasks and streamline your workflow. Start by setting up a trigger in N8N. You can run it manually on a schedule or use a webhook depending on your needs. Next, add the Todoist node to your workflow and configure your credentials. You can use an API key or OAuth to authentication, whichever fits your setup best. After authenticating, choose the operation you want to perform. For example, you can create a new task, fetch tasks, or update existing ones. Then, configure the required fields like project selection and task content to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, run the node to test your setup. This confirms that your workflow is working and connected properly. Once tested, your Todoist task can now be automated, saving time and letting you focus on more important priorities. And that's it. Connecting Todoist to N8N makes task management easier, faster, and more efficient. Happy automating!